What's up, man?
My name is Anthony De La Fuente. I'm 40 years old, and I've been in public transportation since I was 5 years old. Getting to know public transportation is got to be one of the best things in life. Know your city, know your routes, know your drivers, and know your buses. I know every single bus that I've grown up with. RTSs, Flexibles, NABI, New Flyer, Eldorados, you name it. I know them. I have a huge bus collection, and it's expanded over the years. I couldn't have done it without friends and family and support. I want everyone to know that public transportation is the best. Get out there and ride. Leave the car at home, ride public transportation. This rodeo today is my 19th year coming. I've had so much fun over the years getting to see people and completing each other in this rodeo.
Hi, my name is Kenny Young, and I'm from Glendale, California. I've had a really deep passion for public transit ever since I was a little boy. I've been relying on public transit to get to school and to also run errands or to just explore the city. I really love Metro because it takes me where I need to go at any time of day. Whether it is to LA or also even out to Orange County, Metro is always there and takes me almost to any destination I want in LA. This is actually my first time attending the Metro Bus Rodeo here in Arcadia. I've actually made lots of friends on public transit, such as the bus operator who takes me to school in the past. I'm now good friends with him. We still keep in contact, and sometimes I ride on his bus to just to explore the area. And also I've met other transit friends while using the train or the bus.
I come from South Los Angeles, and my name is Christopher Olivares.
How many collection of bus items do you have at home?
Oh, countless. I have a ton. It can go from tap cards to fare boxes, actually.
The original fare boxes where it just only took coins?
Yeah, well, actually, no, it's a fare box that takes cash and coins. It's a Gen Fare Sensibill to make it easier. And so, yeah.
Hello everybody, my name is James. I come from South Bay 18, San Pedro. And about this bus over here, this is a NABI 40 LFW CNG from 2001. It's a former Riverside bus, retired, I don't know, sometime in like 2014 to 2015. And it's now living its life, has the forgotten RTD NABI from the 2002 order. I've actually liked buses ever since I was a little boy, but I really didn't grow into my transit enthusiasm until I would say when I was in high school.
Hi, my name is Matthew Ramirez, aka SoCal Transit Studios, and this is the NABI 40 LFW Coach 3950. This is the Riverside Transit Agency and X Stardust Tours, the bus. So this coach is the Stardust Tours, and it has the Riverside seating, and this one has a Detroit Diesel Series 50G with a ZF, I think a 5 HP 592C. And I love the Rodeo because I've been going there since 2016. I've been a bus fan since 2006, but I've been filming since 2015.
My name is Nico Lloyd. I represent Torzana Reseda. I'm here for the Rodeo. This is my third year actually for the Metro Rodeo. I'm here to represent just for my transit hobby because I love transportation. It's been my third year fanning. Overall, I just love to hang out with my friends, meet new people, ride the buses, and overall have a great time. So my channel is Coin Williams Transit Hub. I've been all the way up to San Francisco, San Diego, Palm Springs, everywhere within the SoCal district, and sometimes in the NorCal. I love buses. I do it for a living. I work for MV Transportation up at LA DOT, Division 64. I work with Dash Eldorado propane buses.
I am Ruben Aparicio. I am from Pasadena, California, and I started bus fanning since 2016. My YouTube channel is Ruben Aparicio. You can go to youtube.com, look up Ruben Aparicio, and it's the one that has the bus icon, and here you'll find all my videos.
Let's go get a ride.
Yeah. Taking off?
Yes, okay. Oh, look at that, the original RTD shirt. Wow, look at that. Okay, go ahead.
All right, and we're back, guys. So this bus that we're on, take a look, guys, is a 2001 NABI 40 LFW CNG. As you can see, this is a former Riverside bus. It's equipped with the Detroit Diesel Series 50 CNG capability, as well as a ZF 5-speed transmission.
Now, how do you know all that stuff?
Well, I know all about this stuff because since I've hung out with transit fans since I started getting into the hobby, and I've even studied the facts as well as on roster websites.
So how does that make you feel when you're on a RTD bus from the 80s?
It makes me feel like if only I knew this. I didn't know that this bus was coming, so I should have dressed up like I was from the 80s. All right, so sir, tell me what's it like coming to the rodeo?
It's actually very interesting. This is actually, in fact, my first rodeo. I missed out on last year because I was too sleepy to even go. But this year, I finally decided to go, and I like it.
All right, so your experience with the rodeo, how are you liking it so far?
It's good.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Promote it. What is it called?
Cody Perales 2017.
Oh, okay. And what's your name, sir? What city are you coming from?
Cody Perales, Orange County, Anaheim, California.
All right, and I'm here with bus owner Scott Richards, who's the owner of 7950. So tell me, Scott, what's it like owning a bus?
It's very expensive, very expensive and time consuming, but it's my business, so that's how I make it work.
Overall, like, how many buses have you owned so far that are current and from the past?
I started buying buses in 1983, and I've probably been up to 200 buses through the years.
And like, how many do you have to this date?
Right now, my fleet is probably 33 buses. There's a couple of cop cars in there also.
All right, awesome. And any future plans for any more buses or new ones?
There's always time to update the fleet, so it just depends on what comes up and what the movie studios needs.
Oh, well, good day. Well, my name is Mark, all the way coming from Burbank, California. Well, gotta appreciate that this is a nice bus we have right on our background right here. And I really appreciate taking public transport ever since 3 years old.
So this is the XN60
Yeah, man.
Xcelsior class.
Yeah, I want them to put them on the 204, the 704, and the 720. Cause
Do you know what division these buses will be based at?
I want them to put them in divisions 5, 7, 18, and 13, and 10.
How long you been riding transit?
Like all my life, mostly, like especially since '85.
Oh, 85. So you remember the RTDs behind us?
Oh yeah, I used to remember the RTSs, GMC RTSs, AM Generals, even the flexible new looks that were green inside, like from the '60s. They still had them, a few of them running around in the '80s.
Wow, sir. Thank you very much for your time.
Sure, thank you.
I know, easier said than done, right?
There's USB ports underneath the seats.
Oh, I see that. Look at that.
There's underneath each seat, each set.
It's much smaller than the
Yeah, right here. Feel it. USB ports underneath each seat.
Let's go.
Excuse me.
Yes, Silas.
And then the kids right here sitting down.
Excuse me. This is a good place for you can put your car seat down. There's times I'm just like, I just want to have a place for that. Notice on all these seats have USB ports. Yeah, so this is the back of the bus. Look at the important stuff. Wow, man. Yeah. This is so fancy, brand new.
Maybe so you won't hit yourself or you're riding in the back of the bus, or you can sit right there.
Well, those make
Might
me
be kind of
dizzy.
dangerous.
Those are funny when you're articulated.
Hey, kitty.
What do you think?
And you can plug in your cell phone right there.
Oh,
See that?
really?
They have outlets? Yeah, they have outlets.
Everyone has a USB port underneath every seat.
Every seat?
Yeah.
Like right here in the middle.